General practitioner. General practitioner. A doctor who treats common, everyday health problems. I have a fever, so I will see my GP. If you feel sick, visit your GP first. Pediatrician. Pediatrician. A doctor for children. My son has a fever. I will call the pediatrician. Babies need checkups with a pediatrician. Dermatologist. Dermatologist. A doctor for skin, hair, and nail problems. I have acne. I should see a dermatologist. My skin is very dry. I need a dermatologist. Cardiologist. Cardiologist. A doctor for heart problems. My dad sees a cardiologist for his heart. If you have chest pain, see a cardiologist. Neurologist. Neurologist. A doctor for the brain, nerves, and spine. My hands feel numb. I need a neurologist. A neurologist treats brain problems. Psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. A doctor for mental and emotional problems. Can give medicine. She sees a psychiatrist for anxiety. He talks to a psychiatrist once a month. Psychologist. Psychologist. A doctor who helps with mental health through talking therapy. I see a psychologist to manage stress. A psychologist helps with emotions. Oncologist. Oncologist. A doctor who treats cancer. She sees an oncologist for treatment. If cancer is found, see an oncologist. Gynecologist. Gynecologist. A doctor for women's reproductive health. I see a gynecologist once a year. Irregular periods? See a gynecologist. Obstetrician. Obstetrician. a doctor for pregnancy and childbirth. My obstetrician took care of me during pregnancy. Pregnant women see an obstetrician regularly. Ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. A doctor for serious eye problems and surgeries. My eye hurts. I need an ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologists do eye surgery. Optometrist. Optometrist. A doctor who checks vision and gives glasses. I can't see clearly. I'll visit an optometrist. The optometrist gave me new glasses. Orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgeon. A doctor for bones, joints, and broken bones. I broke my arm. I need an orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgeons fix broken bones. ENT doctor. ENT doctor. A doctor for ear, nose, and throat. I have an ear infection. I need an ENT. Nose allergies? Visit an ENT. Dentist. Dentist. A doctor for teeth and gums. I have a toothache. I'll see a dentist. Bleeding gums? Visit the dentist. Endocrinologist. Endocrinologist. A doctor for hormone problems like diabetes. I have thyroid issues. I see an endocrinologist. Hormone problems need an endocrinologist. Gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologist. A doctor for stomach and digestion problems. My stomach hurts often. I need a gastroenterologist. Frequent tummy pain? See a gastroenterologist. Pulmonologist. Pulmonologist. A doctor for lungs and breathing. Pulmonologists treat asthma. Breathing problems? See a pulmonologist. Urologist. Urologist. A doctor for urinary system and male reproductive organs. It hurts when I pee. I need a urologist. A urologist checks kidney problems. Rheumatologist. Rheumatologist. A doctor for joint, muscle, and autoimmune diseases. I have joint pain. I need a rheumatologist. Muscle pain? See a rheumatologist. Hematologist. Hematologist. A doctor for blood diseases. I have low hemoglobin. I need a hematologist. Frequent bruising? See a hematologist. Geneticist. Geneticist. A doctor for genetic and inherited diseases. Geneticists study DNA problems. Some diseases run in families, so see a geneticist. Neonatologist. Neonatologist. A doctor for newborn babies, especially sick or premature ones. My baby was born early. We need a neonatologist. Sick newborns stay with a neonatologist. Physician. Physician. A general medical doctor, not surgery. If you feel sick, see a physician first. Physicians give medicine, not surgery. Surgeon. Surgeon. A doctor who performs operations. I need a surgeon to remove my appendix. Surgeons perform operations. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. A veterinarian is a doctor who treats animals. You should take your cat to the vet if she has a fever. The vet gave my rabbit a vaccine.